हुन्छ
हाम्रो सरको द्वारा नै हाम्रो डाक्टर सञ्जय छेत्री सरको द्वारा नै हामी यो जनसभा है आफ्नै फाइदा मात्रै हेर्छ है। तर हाम्रो सर अति नै ठुलो हृदय लिएर हाम्रो माझमा आउनु भएको छ है। हाम्रो सरले है केही अब हाम्रो यो जनसभा सोसल वेलफेयरबाट चाहिँ अब जति पनि गरिबहरूलाई है जति पनि अब दिन दुखियालाई कतिले अब तपाईँको न्याय नपाएकोहरूलाई कतिले एजुकेसन फेसिलिटी नपाएकोहरूलाई है त्यस्तो व्यक्तिहरूलाई हामी हेल्प गर्नेको निम्ति यो हाम्रो जनसंवाद है सोसल वेलफेयर काउन्सिल हामीले खोलेका छौँ। र हाम्रो डाइरेक्टर सर साँच्चै नै अति नै रेस्पेक्टेड हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ है। हामी उहाँलाई फेरि पनि एकताल जोरदार तालीले हामी धन्यवाद दिन्छौँ।
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमालय स्वनामे जागे।
I,
Susan Chhetri,
do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office in the Gazing district,
office of the Gazing district,
Vice President of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council India,
Vice President of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council India,
and will to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law.
Constitution and the law.
I further swear that
I
I will devote myself
to
the service and well-being
well-being
of the people of district Gazing,
of the people of the district Gazing,
Sikkim,
country
India,
India,
and that I will strictly follow
and that I will strictly follow
the protocols, rules and regulations
the protocols, rules and regulations
of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council India.
of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council India.
I pledge that I shall never
I pledge that I shall never
make any selfish or personal decision
make any selfish or personal decision
for my own benefit,
nor
nor shall I act
act
against the directive or management
against the directive or the management
of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council India.
of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council of India.
As the Gazing District Vice President,
As the Gazing District Vice President,
I shall report correctly and responsibly
I shall report correctly and responsibly
to the Sikkim State
to the Sikkim State
Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council Executive Director
Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council Executive Director
and Administration and Management Team.
and Administration and Management Team.
I shall ensure that all laws, regulations,
I shall ensure that all laws, regulations,
and organizational principles
and organization principles
are duly maintained.
are duly maintained.
I accept that it is my full responsibility
I accept that it is my full responsibility
to uphold these duties
to uphold these duties
with integrity, honesty,
honesty,
and dedication.
and dedication.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हुन्छ
Ramsing Tamang to receive his promotion letter. हाम्रो अति नै आदरणीय हाम्रो रामसिंह सर जहिले पनि खट्नुहुन्छ है, जहिले पनि गाइड गरिराख्नुहुन्छ। उहाँलाई पनि ओथ टेकिङको सेरेमनीमा म लाँदैछु।
I, Ramsing Tamang,
Do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully execute the office
execute the office
of the Sikkim State Public Welfare Project Manager
of the Sikkim State Public Welfare Project Manager
of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council
of the Jan Sabha Social Welfare Council
India,
India,
and that I will, to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
preserve,
preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution and the law.
and defend the Constitution and the law.
I further swear that
I further swear that
I will devote myself
I will devote myself
to the service and well-being
to the service and well-being
of the people of the state of Sikkim
of the people of the state of Sikkim
and the nation of India,
and the nation of India,
and that I will strictly follow the protocols,
and that I will strictly follow the protocols,
rules and regulations of
rules and regulations of
the Jan Samaj Social Welfare Council India.
the Jan Samaj Social Welfare Council India.
I solemnly pledge that
I solemnly pledge that
I shall never make any selfish
I shall never make any selfish
or personal decision for my
or personal decision for my
own benefit,
nor
shall I act
shall I act
against the directive or management
against the directive or management
of the Jan Samaj Social Welfare Council India.
of the Jan Samaj Social Welfare Council India.
As the Sikkim State Project Manager,
As the Sikkim State Project Manager,
I shall report correctly and responsibly
I shall report correctly and responsibility
to the Jan Samaj Social Welfare Council India,
to the Jan Samaj Social Welfare Council India,
State
Sikkim State
Administration Department
Administration Department
and Executive Director
and Executive Director
and the Gejing District Vice President,
and the Gejing District Vice President,
ensuring that all laws, regulations,
ensuring that all laws, regulation,
and organizational principles
and organizational principles
are properly maintained.
are properly maintained.
I fully accept that
I fully accept that
it is my solemn duty
it is my solemn duty
and complete responsibility
and complete responsibility
to upload these obligations
to uphold these obligations
with integrity,
honesty,
honesty, and dedication.
and dedication.
Thank you.
No.
Become a deserving person and Executive Director and ensure do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the duties and responsibility of the office of तपाईँलाई वेलकम छ हाम्रो फ्यामिलीमा है। आजदेखि मिलेर काम गर्नेछौँ। हामीले एकदमै सपोर्टिभ हाम्रो डाइरेक्टर सर पाएका छौँ। देविका छेत्री, जाँदैछ है। त्यो कुराहरूबाट उनीहरूले पाउने हक पनि पाएको छैन है। सबै त्यो हकहरू कहाँ जाँदैछ?
ओके, जनसंवाद भनेको के हो तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ? जनसंवाद भनेको के हो? जनसंवाद भनेको पब्लिक कम्युनिकेसन हो। एउटा नानीलाई जबसम्म आमा बाबाले के कुरा सिकाउँदैन तबसम्म त्यो नानीलाई अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड हुँदैन त्यो के हो भनेर, र त्यसले गलत कुरा पनि गरिपठाउँछ। जबसम्म प्यारेन्ट्सले त्यसलाई कम्युनिकेट गर्दैन, छोरा यो नानी यो गलत हो भनेर जबसम्म कम्युनिकेट गर्दैन तबसम्म त्यो नानीले अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड गर्दैन। सो जनसंवाद पनि हाम्रो पब्लिकको लागि के हो? पब्लिकहरु हाम्रो नानी हो र जनसंवाद चाहिँ प्यारेन्ट हो। जनसंवाद इज कल्ड पब्लिक कम्युनिकेसन। र साँच्चै नै तपाईहरुले भोलिको दिनमा तपाईहरु प्यारेन्ट्स भएर हाम्रो जति पनि नेसन हाम्रो इन्डियामा, नट ओन्ली सिक्किम, ओभरअल इन्डियामा जहाँ पनि जानुहुन्छ, गुजरात जानुहुँदैछ, हैदराबाद जानुहुँदैछ, तेलंगाना, गोवा, आन्ध्रा हैन, चेन्नई जहाँ पनि जानुहुँदैछ, तपाईले कसै दुखित हैन व्यक्तिलाई भेट्नु भयो, त्यसलाई तपाईहरुले इमिडिएटली के कम्युनिकेट गर्नु पर्यो? उनीहरुको प्रब्लम्स।
Clear,